Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best golden tape you can find, the TSSART Solid Foil Washi Tape. If you're into crafts or DIY projects, you know that the right materials make all the difference, and this tape is perfect for those seeking a shiny, metallic touch to their creations. Let's dive into the features of this tape. First off, the TSSART Solid Foil Washi Tape is made from high-quality washi paper, giving it a smooth surface with a vibrant, metallic finish. This tape brings that extra flair to your projects with a luxurious gold sheen that's perfect for a variety of uses, from home decor to scrapbooking and card making. Whether you're decorating journals, scrapbooks, or even using it for party decor, this tape will elevate your work. What makes this tape stand out is its low tack adhesive. This means it's repositionable and won't leave any residue behind when you peel it off. You can easily correct any mistakes without damaging your surface, which is a huge plus for anyone working on detailed projects. Plus, it's easy to use, there's no need for scissors. You can simply tear it by hand and apply it wherever you need it. Another key benefit is its versatility. This tape is not just for scrapbooking, it's perfect for a wide range of crafting and decorating projects. Use it to add a touch of gold to your gift wrapping, card making, or even to give your home decor a little extra shimmer. The possibilities are endless. The TSSART tape also comes in 2 rolls, each 66 feet long and 3/5 of an inch wide. That's a lot of tape for your crafting needs. You won't have to worry about running out anytime soon, which is always a good thing when you're in the middle of a creative flow. What's more, this tape is safe for all your craft materials. It's not just a pretty surface, it's practical and designed for easy application. Whether you're creating festive decorations for the holidays or working on a personal craft project, this tape is a great tool to have in your arsenal. And if you're wondering about customer satisfaction, TSSART guarantees that you'll be happy with your purchase. They stand behind their product 100%, so if you encounter any issues, they'll make it right. So, if you're looking for a high-quality golden tape that's easy to use, versatile, and perfect for all kinds of projects, the TSSART Solid Foil Washi Tape is the one for you. Trust me, it's the best golden tape out there. That's it for today's review. If you're interested in learning more or purchasing the TSSART Solid Foil Washi Tape, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.